Alright folks, we are at, there's a helicopter over here, but we're at Shoney's. We're gonna try something different here. I don't know if you've been to Shoney's, used to be Shoney's Big Boy, but we're gonna try their #1 dessert, and we're in Old Town, so let's go see what it's all about. So we are right next door in Old Town. This is the Shoney's, right next to the Ferris wheel. And we're gonna go in here and have something that Shoney's is famous for. Very famous for, and we'll show you that in just a minute. We're also gonna get some coffee while we're here, but we'll show you, see if it's worth the trip. They have a bar here. First Shoney's I've been to that had a bar. I think we got to go in over here though, so we'll come down here and go in right here. Got the big S there for Shoney's. And we'll stand by right here. There's restrooms here.
They're waiting on me.
Yeah, we'll step on it.
I'm sorry, what? Hi, Paul.
Hi. So here's the menu. They do have a breakfast here. But here's what we're here for. We are here for the Shoney's World-Famous Hot Fudge Cake. We're gonna give that a try. Food bar breakfast.
Coffee, water.
We're gonna go, this is the inside. Nice area. Really nice looking restaurant on the inside. We haven't got our food yet. But this is the walking toward the bar here. It has an open bar if you want to sit out there. They raised the garage doors open, so you got open air on that side. And you got all kinds of drinks on this side. And now we're gonna walk over here and take a look at the buffet. We might come back tomorrow morning for the breakfast buffet. We don't know yet. Ain't got that far in the game. Got some fresh fruits there. Got the sausage, ham, rice, salads, grits, the biscuit and gravy. Got cinnamon rolls. Got all kinds of. Ooh, it smells so good over here. It smells like cinnamon. You can smell the cinnamon rolls. Got all kinds of good stuff here. There we go. So here's Marcy's cookie for the ice cream. We're gonna give that a try. Just a second. Waiting on my cake. Goes great with some coffee too, I'm sure. Marcy stepped out for a minute, but this is the cookie skillet. We're gonna give this a try here and see what this is about.
I got plenty, dear. What's up?
Look at that. Ooh.
I don't know. There you go.
Gotta get some ice cream there. Give this a try.
That's why you got it.
Oh my goodness. Wow. That is sweet. But delicious. That's really good. That is so good. The skillet cookie, huh? My cake has arrived. The hot fudge, famous hot fudge cake. Gonna give that a try. Oh, that texture there.
There you go. All right. Wow, this is rich.
Give this a try.
Want a bite? Already had it. No. Ate half a mite's already.
That's pretty good too. That's pretty good too. Marcy's still in a bite. Look at that. I caught her red-handed. How is it, baby?
It's good. Oh, it's rich.
Which one you like better?
I don't know.
I think I like the skillet cookie better, actually, to be honest.
Well, you can have this one because it's a lot.
The cake is good, but that skillet That's really better. That's really good.
So rich.
Definitely go with a skillet cookie, I think. I had the chocolate cake, and it was pretty good.
It was good. I had the hand cookie, and I'm probably going to sleep all afternoon. It's so rich, but
It
it's
is.
so delicious.
It was good. I would pick the cookie over
It was
the
pretty
cake.
amazing.
It is definitely worth the trip just to come to Shoney's for that and some coffee.
Yeah, and this is a cute Shoney's too. I've never been in one like this.
Yeah, it is pretty nice, but that's gonna wrap this video up.
Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
You heard her.